Hey guys, it's Maymay and it's time to reveal our Stamp of the Month club. This is the one that ships on the 6th of the month, known as our original club. We have two clubs. The second one ships on the 21st of the month. It's our Scripture club. And if you'd like more information about them, I have put the information in the description below. It's a very affordable club. Also, you get a really cool perk for being a member. So I thought I'd mention that. Be sure to check it out. So this set is a super fun, extremely versatile set you're going to love having in your stash, and it's going to work for season after season. Check this out. This one is called Basket Builder. Now, let me tell you about this set. First off, you get these beautiful big flowers that you can use on anything standalone by themselves, this gorgeous bow, a sprig of grass, the little flower in the corner, plus you get this basket base, this big old curved handle, and if you'll hang out with me for a second, I'm going to tell you what these guys do as well as show you some samples of what they do. Now, the sentiment you get here is sending a basket of, and we chose the word love for this one, but sending a basket works with all your sets you already have, because think about this, sending a basket of birthday wishes, sending a basket of get well wishes, sending a basket of hugs. As a matter of fact, if you have the stamp set called Pocket Pals, it is a perfect companion for this, because not only do all the little animals fit in the basket to pop out, like the little giraffe is so cute. We didn't do a sample of that one, but it's super cute. But also the words from Pocket Pals go with this, so that's a good way to use it. Now, let me show you some samples of this set. So I'm going to put this over to the side, and I'm going to show you what Shannon has done. She's done a beautiful job. So this is the basic basket, this base and this handle. And I want to remind you, all of our stamp sets come with free SVGs. These images were cut with the SVGs. That is always free to you, and you can access those on our website. So if you're not a fussy cutter, use that SVG. It's super easy and super fun. So this is the simple basket, okay? The flowers stamped here and laid on top, but I want to show you what she did here. She used the hydrangea punch, the little stackable flower punch, and made a separate flower and put in the middle to give it dimension. So she has the two stamped flowers plus this dimensional flower. Look how cute that is. See how much dimension? I love that she did that. So that's one sample. Another one Shannon did was this guy. And this is just to show you that those flowers are so versatile and can be used in so many different ways. She just stamped them in the corners, colored them beautifully. She's working on her marker color and she's having fun. And used the stamp set Sorry to go with this, because those flowers are going to go with all your stamp sets in your stash. Then, here's what I want to show you. I told you that I would tell you what these guys are, right? So these pieces here will turn this basket into two other baskets, not just this one. You can have a picnic basket and a bushel basket. Let me show you the picnic basket. Now, this is adorable. I did this one, and I love this. Do you see how you turn it into a picnic basket? This piece here are your little what are they called? The lids for the basket. And this piece here, it's upside down on your set, but it goes like this, and it's the handle for the basket. Isn't that adorable? And you guessed it. See this little guy right here? This is your little cloth that comes out of the basket. I'm in love. I'm in love. Now, you can tell the stamp set I used with this one was Buggy Love, so it works with all your stamp sets. I just thought this was adorable to mix it together. And how cute is that basket? And what all can you put inside, right? Now, I'm going to show you it as a bushel basket, but I got to show you something else first. I've never done this. If I have, I don't remember it. So somebody may go, yeah, you did back in such and such, but I don't remember doing it. But I've made a companion set for this because I felt like it needed some more options. So check this out. You don't have to have it. I just showed you all the ways you can use this set. But if you do want to pick up the Basket Buddy set, you get Easter, you get a picnic, you get the beach, you get fall, you get another fall, kind of autumn. You get this little tablecloth or beach blanket. I'll show you that used as a, I think she used it as a tablecloth. I'll show you. An umbrella, a pumpkin, an egg. You get leaves here. You get a sunflower here. And you also get the watermelon. And this is a little towel that can hang out of your beach towel basket or out of your picnic basket. You can put it wherever you want it. Now, let me show you some samples. So Shannon and I made a lot of samples. We've never made this many samples before, ever, and I'm excited to show you. I'm going to start with Shannon's first easel card. Shannon made this card, and it is absolutely the cutest thing ever. Watch this. It's an easel card. It pops up, and she made it lock in to the watermelon on the tablecloth. Isn't that adorable? Now, I will tell you, Shannon said she wished she would have made it go a little higher, a little further back, but she's never made an easel card before. It was her first one, so I thought she did fantastic with this. Just look how cute. And this is the picnic set. See the thermos? I love the thermos. There's a mason jar, a sandwich, some cheese, some French bread, and grapes. Now I just want lunch. These little watermelons placed around, so cute. So there's one. And then let me show you the sunflower one. This is one I made using the sunflowers. You know it's me because it's more my colors than Shannon. Shannon does all the greens and I tend to do all the other colors. But look at this together with the sunflowers and the bow and then the little yellow in the back to kind of make that pop. Love how this one turned out. Also, on the inside, I just stamped birthday wishes with another set. Actually, that's 2 sets. That's from All Occasions, and that's from Pocket Pals. Love that one. Okay, and then let me show you this one. How about an Easter shaker card? Now, this would have been really cute, except I overstuffed my shaker element, so it's a little hard to get those to move around, but they do. But look at this basket as a shaker element. Are you kidding? And something I did, rather than putting this in the basket, I let that be the ground. So the eggs are laying on the ground outside the basket. And this little guy is from Hair Peeking. See how you're going to be able to mix this with every stamp set you have in your stash? Love it. The Sentiment from Hair Peeking. There's that one. Now let me show you a beach theme that Shannon did. Shannon's a beach girl. She loves to go to the beach. So this is not even using the basket. She's using the little beach images plus the towel, which can also be a tablecloth because you can hang that out of your picnic basket, and the umbrella. Now, she used the stamp set called Oh Yay Vacay. So she's doing Are We There Yet? And if you open the inside, Oh Yay Vacay. Isn't that cute? Wouldn't this be cute to send to somebody that's going on vacation with you and like you're counting down the days? This would be a cute way to do that. And then my last sample, these samples they took us longer to make than to show you guys, I'll tell you that. This one is my fall sample with the pumpkins. I love it. And remember how I told you I'd show you how to make it a bushel basket? So check this out. If you let me show you on the stamp set. This is what we did to do it. If you take this piece here and you trim around that corner and take off that handle, you can then lay these little guys sideways so that they barely hang off and it becomes a bushel basket. Isn't that cute? So the bow, the pumpkins, and then on the back you'll see I used some of the extra pumpkins and leaves to put little pumpkins on the back. I love the set. I love the set. I love the buddies. You can pick them both up if you're not in the club. They are available to everyone. If you're in the club, that basket builder set is on its way to you already at this point. And if you want to pick up the buddy set, you can do that as well. Now remember, you do not have to have the buddy set. You do not. You can make really cute cards with just the basket set itself, the basket builder set. But if you want that companion set, I think it is so cute. It's one of those things where I'm like, I really would like the companion set, so I kind of made it for myself. Can I just keep cramming them in the camera? Here we go. Let's see if we can get this one up here. We'll try really hard so you can kind of see it. You can't see it up there. All right, the beach card is down here so you know it's there. So that is our offering this month. Basket Builder. Love it. Now, as you know, we do a $50 gift card each month. So the winner for last month will be in the description below in the top line. But if you'd like to enter for next month, all you have to do is make a project using either of these sets. So you can use the Basket Builder or you can use the Basket Buddies, which can also be standalone, by the way. So you can use either of those to enter that contest. So you just make a project, post it on our customer gallery, and that enters you into our contest for $50. Y'all, I love this one. I really do. And Shannon and I spent 2 days making these samples. We had so much fun because it's such a challenge to try to see different ways you can use the basket, different ways to color it, etc. So I hope you guys enjoy this one as much as we do. Thank you so much for being a part of our club. We have so much fun trying to bring you something a little bit different, a little bit fresh, and all of our ideas try to work back to all your sets you currently have in the club. So I think if you've been a member for any length of time, a month, 2 months, whatever, even longer, you'll be able to mix this set with all that you currently have. Thanks so much for being here today, guys. And until next time, bye now.